What's going on, everybody? Welcome to my channel here at Sticky Hickory BBQ. Hey, I want to welcome you to my channel. If this is your first time, I want to go ahead and encourage you to hit that like button. Turn on the bell for those notifications. You're going to like what we're doing here. Guys, I got a good one today. Today, I'm making Boudin Stuffed Chicken out on the Weber kettle. We're going to smoke it up, and we're going to make it good. You stay tuned for this one. Welcome back to my channel, guys. As I mentioned, we're making Boudin Stuffed Chicken, and it's gonna be good. I've got here some homemade boudin that I made from stuffed seasoning, and we're just gonna walk you on through this. Let's go ahead and dive into this recipe. As you can see, I got myself here 3 of the best that I had from my freezer. Boneless chicken breasts, and again, I mentioned, I have the homemade boudin right here that we're gonna take. Probably not gonna end up using all this, but whatever's left, I'm just gonna throw in the smoker. And we're just gonna eat it like that, and we're gonna have smoked boudin to eat on. So let's go ahead and start by prepping our chickens. Move our boudin to the side right there. Let's go ahead and move this here. We're gonna start with this little piece of chicken here. And we're gonna be very careful, and we're gonna make a nice little incision right down, straight about the halfway point, the middle of this. Just make a little pocket where we can open it up and we can stuff some chicken, some boudin down up in there. So, about that much, and then we'll start stuffing boudin in there. So we're gonna get all these chickens open, then we'll start stuffing. Got some nice little pockets. We got our chicken split open. I think that's about good enough right here where we want. We're gonna go ahead and take our boudin, and we're just gonna go ahead and cut this casing out of there. Split that casing open. And this is a spicy boudin. I'm just gonna get all that out of there, just like that. Kind of crumble it up a little bit. There. We're gonna go ahead and hit it with some of this seasoning right here, this Hawkeye all-in seasoning. Get some flavor all over. So we're gonna go ahead and season the inside of these very generously, like so. And then we're gonna go ahead and pick that back up. We're gonna start stuffing our boudin in there. Kind of look like a little chicken taco, don't it? And that's what you want that to look like, just like that, guys. Stuff just like that. Now we're gonna move these to the side. And we're gonna show you how we're gonna finish these off. And we're gonna season the outside, just like that. Real nice and generous. No need for a binder of any sort, because it's already got enough moisture on here for that to stick onto. Just gonna pat that in. Go with a nice amount. Go ahead and season my boudin too, even though it's already seasoned, but I want some extra flavor. Let's go ahead and season that backside just like so. All the sides, just like that. And that's what we want that to look like when it's finished. All right, guys, set it to the side. Get the other ones done, then we get out to the smoker. Stay with me, guys. Go ahead and hit that like button with my dirty glove. Go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. If you like what we're doing so far, let YouTube know we out here doing something good. Get that algorithm jumping. Let's go. All right, guys, so we're out here at the Weber kettle. Got it fired up with the B&B charcoal. Got it lit up about 300 degrees. Somewhere between 300 and 325 is where we want to be. I got here some post-oak chunks that I'm gonna sit right here on top of this fire, on this hot side right here. I'm gonna put that one there for when that side starts to catch, but this shouldn't take too long. It should take about an hour of cooking time. So we should be done pretty fast. As I said, we got a boudin here that we have left over. I don't want it to go to waste, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put it over here, away from the coals on this cool side. Give it some space to let it cook, just like that. We're gonna go here with our chickens, with our Boudin Stuffed Chicken. There we go. Went ahead and put some twine off camera to keep those from opening up so that they can stay together. Just gonna put this right here on this cool side and let this cook. So I'm just gonna place these here just like that. That wood is starting to catch, it's starting to smoke up. That's gonna give it some nice post-oak wood flavor, nice mild smoke flavor. So let's go ahead and get this lid on. Right now I got both of my vents wide open and it's hitting right at 300. So we just go keep an eye on that and we'll make the adjustments as necessary. Stay tuned, guys. All right, ladies and gentlemen, after 38 minutes, let's get this lid off and take a look and see what we got here. Here's what we're looking like so far. That rug starting to dry up just a bit, cooking at a nice temperature. Go ahead and flip these boudins. As you can see right now, that's where we're reading at and counting. So we want to get these to about a temperature of 160, 165. I'm gonna go ahead and spray these just a little bit. Keep that moisture going, just like that. And I'm using plain old water, guys. That's it. We'll let these keep cooking, let they keep tacking up. And once it hits that target temperature, we'll see how long it takes. Put that lid back on and keep cooking. All right, guys, 20 minutes later, here we are checking on our chickens. It appears that we're at about 150 degrees internal. Went ahead and stick a probe up in there, went down in the middle. So it's at this point, we're almost where we need to be. I want to go ahead and kind of base these with some butter for moisture's sake. Just to keep them moist, and plus they look good. Just like that. Don't they look a whole lot better? Oh, man. Not too long before these are done. Still got that post oak rolling on there. Wood is holding nice and steady. Charcoal's holding nice and steady. So I want to go ahead and get this lid on. This should take, give or take, maybe about 15, 20 more minutes to get this inside, guys. We got some good old Louisiana, Texas cooking going on right here. Let's get this lid on. Let's keep going with it. We've reached a temp of 163 here on our thermometer. So I want to go ahead and pull these off a little earlier than 165. Get that probe out of there. Put these off a little early because these are going to carry over and cook. So I'm just going to get these and put them in my little pan here. And look at the color that these babies have gave. Beautiful. That's that good old post oak color right there. Not too black, not too dark. Beautiful, awesome color. And it smells amazing. It smells great. Oh, don't waste no boudin. There we go. So let's go ahead and get this all shut down. Catch me on the inside. How about that? All right, guys, so we're inside. The taste test had to come in. Sun's going down. It's been raining in Houston, Texas for about 2 weeks straight after about 4 months of no rain. So all of us Texans are happy about the rain. And we're happy about this goddamn Boudin stuffed chicken that we got right here. Boy, 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 look at this. It's looking like a feast. Got that Hawkeye seasoning right there, giving it flavor, all the flavor, because we went all in on all the flavor. They did not sponsor this, by the way. I've just been using all their products. We got a hold of them at a farmer's market and been using their products ever since. You got to give it a try. Let's get into this. I know you're ready for it. I am. I got my fork. I got my big ass knife, and I'm ready to get into it. There's my boudin right there. Set it to the side. I'm not worried about that right now. What I am worried about is this Boudin stuffed chicken. You might say, now what you know about that Boudin decor? Well, let me tell you something. I got my mama who's from Ville Platte, Louisiana, a little old country thing over there. She the one that got me on game. And my daddy, Texas, Louisiana, country Bama. God damn it, let's get into this. Let's go. Which one should I cut? No, that one look good. So I'm gonna move this to the side. Put that over there. We're gonna work with you. Look at you. Let's go ahead and just put our fork in there. Cut us a nice little piece of that right there. And look at that. Perfectly cooked. Nice and juicy. My mouth can't take it no more. It's time to get into this. So, I'm gonna make sure I get right here where all this boudin is and bite into that. You ready? Here I go. Oh, the flavors. Woo! They taking over me. Ooh, I gotta get some more of that. Don't just believe me. Try it for yourself. Guys, come on. It's easy to do. Try this recipe. Boudin stuffed chicken. Get your favorite boudin. Get my boudin. Order it with me. Get your favorite boudin. Get you some chicken breast. Get you some Hawkeye all-in seasoning blend. You got to get this recipe a try. This is my smoked Boudin stuffed chicken recipe. You got to give it a try, guys. If you do try it, make sure you tag me on social media. Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. God damn it, find me. I'm everywhere. If there's anything you want to see me cook, go ahead and put it right down in the comments. Tag me. I'm BBQ. I'm with Sticky Hickory Barbecue. I'm out. Let's go.